Everyone comes to Switzerland with a checklist. Mountains, trains, activities, one after another. Normally, where I come from, the mindset is, this might be the only time I'm here, so let's do everything. Pack every activity, visit every spot, fit it all in one chunk. Even if it means that you're exhausted by the end of the trip. Wanting to take a vacation from this Swiss vacation. Years ago, I realized this is not a way to do things. Now, when I travel, I make sure I leave at least a day in the middle to do nothing. No pre-booked activity, no tickets, no rushing, just doing nothing. And that's when it all changes. It will lead you to unexpected places, meet wonderful people, and be in sync with the real person you are. So the next time you travel to Switzerland, take a stroll across the city. Appreciate flowers in a beautiful park. Sit in a bench watching the sunset. Let's celebrate this nothing time, making this a ritual in all our trips. So tell me, what has been your nothing moment in any of your trip abroad? Do comment below. I shall be sharing my Swiss trip nothing moment in the next reel. This is part of our Switzerland Travel Dilemma Series. Like and subscribe to our channel for more such content.